Rosie. Welcome to Haradali Wisdom channel. This is our kitchen. Today we're cooking pierogies and steamed veggies. This is Ukrainian pierogies, my preference. So yeah, join us. Let's see how it turns out. Put my onions in here and some butter. We like to use butter, not oil, not margarine, just pure butter. If you can go for organic butter, even better. So yeah, go for that. Our pierogies were frozen, hence they're taking a bit longer because we didn't thaw them prior to, but they're almost there. Okay, now the pierogies are done. As you can see, they're floating on the surface of the water. So I'm going to drain them, and then as I drain, I'll put the pan with the onions on there to start sauteing them, and then we'll so we'll exchange. So let's drain these babies. So I fry the onions until they turn golden brown. As they fry, I like to keep it simple, so all I'll add is a little bit of chili or cayenne pepper, whichever you prefer. Smoky taste. Just like so. And a little bit of Haradali seeds, just a little, not a lot, like so. to get, we don't want the broccoli to change color. Okay. That green is really good. When it gets when the color sort of changes or turns to a little golden brown, then we start putting the pierogies in there. Plus you want your Haradali to cook. To have them soften a little. That's why I don't use a lot. Just use a little bit. It's a good spice. Are ready. They're turning golden brown. That's the color you're shooting for. That. See that? Perfect. So we start putting our pierogies in there. They stick to each other, so that's why I like using a fork. Just be gentle with them so they don't break apart. I'll turn this round so I can coat them with the batter. That way if I add more, they don't stick to each other because of the batter. Veggies are ready. That's what they're looking like. See, the broccoli is still beautifully green, so I'll just turn that off. Nice to be gentle. Don't worry if they break. That's just how some of them do. That's why you need to be gentle so you don't break so many. And they're cooked. So turn it off. 7 pierogies are good for one meal. That's what it looks like. Pierogies with onions and steamed veggies. Bon appetit! Cheers! Little taste of Ukraine.